Dear student, today I am going to discuss about energy under chapter 4. Energy is the ability to do work. Here work means in case of positive work. We have already known about positive work and negative work. I am repeating work. Work is the product of force and displacement due to the applied force. And positive work is the giving energy to the object due to the force, and negative work is the taking away energy from the object due to that force. In case of analyzing energy, we will think about positive work. Positive work means when a positive work is done by applying a force on an object, the force creates an energy in that object. So, we have already known about positive work. The unit of energy is joule and its dimension is same as work mL square per t square. So, we get understand about energy. Again, I am repeating. Energy is the ability to do work. Unit of energy is same as work, that is joule, and dimension is also same as work mL square per t square. In case of analyzing energy, we will use the term positive work. What is positive work? When a positive work is done by applying a force on an object, the force creates an energy in that object, and that force and the amount of or magnitude of displacement is known as positive work. Now we have known that there are different forms of energy. One is mechanical, then heat, sound energy, light energy, magnetic energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy, solar energy. Main source of all forms of energy is sun. Okay, now I am going to discuss about mechanical energy. This is very important forms of energy. The definition of mechanical energy is the energy that is obtained due to position, shape and motion of the object is called mechanical energy. That means the energy that we get due to the object's position. It may be in the ground, it may be in the upper height, and shape. Shape means it may be spherical, it may be rectangular, etc. And motion means it may be in high velocity or low velocity or medium velocity, or it may be in rest. So, the energy that is obtained due to the position, shape and motion of the object is called mechanical energy. Mechanical energy again is divided into two forms. One is kinetic energy and other is potential energy. We get kinetic energy due to the motion of the object. That means kinetic energy is related to the motion of the object, and potential energy is obtained due to the position and shape of the object. Now I am repeating. Kinetic energy is obtained due to the motion of the object, and potential energy is obtained due to the position and shape of the object. So it is very clear that kinetic energy and potential energy are two forms of mechanical energy, and mechanical energy is the energy that is obtained due to the position, shape and motion of the object. We get mechanical energy. and we have already known that there are different forms of energy, but I have to make it clear that the amount of energy in universe is always constant, and that is known as the conservation law of energy.